My name is Richard Kemp, and today we're going to talk about setting up a session in Pro Tools. Again, this is one of those fundamental topics, but commonly overlooked, but is very beneficial to increase workflow. So we're just going to jump right in, and the first thing I want to do is set up the tracks for my drum kit. Okay, I'm working here on my laptop PC, so that's just Control-Shift-N. Alright, set up a very basic tracks for that. Alright, the first thing that I would have is my kick, push Control right arrow, and my snare, Control right arrow, hi-hat, again Control right arrow, and I'm going to add my toms here. Alright, now that I have that added, I want to start creating tracks for my submixes. I'm just going to have one stereo aux track for my drum submix, and that's what I want to name it. Just drum mix, okay, right there. And I want to keep everything color coded so that everything in a particular category is similar to each other. Alright, now I want to move on to my acoustic guitars. Alright, I'm going to do two. I'm going to pretend that we're going to record one guitar here, and I like to record the acoustic guitar neck along with the acoustic guitar head hole. Alright, just push enter there, and we're going to go back and create our stereo aux track for our guitar. Okay, now that we have that, we're going to create a track for the bass and vocals. Okay, and neither of these will need submixes because they're just one track. And I always name my vocals vocal because if you name them Vox like this sometimes commonly are, if someone comes into your studio with a Vox amp, it could be quite confusing. I've been there and I've learned that. Alright, so the next thing we want to do is just create a master fader to control the mix of the entire session. And we're going to switch over here to our mix window and see how everything is. And you see here our submixes. We can control everything with these submixes here. Alright, let me just go ahead and color code these acoustic guitars. We're going to just color them green. Okay. Alright, and the bass, let's just say bass, you can be yellow. Oh, that doesn't look like yellow. And vocals, you can be red. Alrighty, now we've got all our tracks color coded. Now we're going to move into routing, which is very important. Alright, here I already have mine set up for my drum mix. I'm going to have that there. Using bus 1 and 2 for that. Just want to come down here and shift clicked, and I want to also alt shift click on my buses to just only change the output of my bottom of the tracks that I have selected. Okay, and I'm going to do the same thing here. I have bus 5 and 6, which I already created. My guitar mix. Okay, so now everything's going to be routed there, and my guitar is going to be routed here, and have my bass and my vocals, and this master fader here. Alright, so basically that is all you need to know to create a basic setup for a Pro Tools session. Thank you.